Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a thumbnail preview button to your Simplebooklet's navbar. Found in the controls section, this feature lets your audience quickly see a visual preview of your pages, making it easy for them to navigate and find exactly what they want. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Controls button. Now all we need to do is make sure the thumbnail preview option is toggled on. Just like that. Your navbar will now include a button that shows all your pages in thumbnail view, giving readers a fast and visual way to jump to any page. Your changes will be saved automatically. Just close the drawer when you're done, and your thumbnail preview button is now live in the control section of your navbar. So if you see here, we go to preview mode, we can take a look at it. So I'm just going to go to the controls section of my navbar. And here we have a page thumbnails button. As you can see, it will show all of my Simplebooklet's pages and exactly what they look like. I can just click on them to jump to that exact page. And yeah. The thumbnail preview supports the attention stage of the reader's journey by keeping readers engaged and focused. It encourages exploration and interaction, making it easy for your audience to quickly find sections or pages they want to view. And that's it. Your audience can now navigate your booklet visually with ease. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.